On April 10, 1912, the RMS Titanic, a marvel of engineering and luxury, embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City. Touted by many as unsinkable, this colossal vessel was the largest ship afloat at the time, designed with advanced mix of the world's wealthiest and those seeking new beginnings in America. The journey across the Atlantic was lookouts spotted an iceberg directly ahead. A sharp turn was ordered, but it was too late.
Creating such high-quality history narration videos with this long format with the help of AI is no joke, and in this video I'll give you a proper framework from scripting to animation to the voiceover, how you can do all these three with the help of AI in just few clicks. So stay till end of the video. I'm Adit and you're watching Skill Curve. So first thing first, we have to be sure about what topic we are covering. So first we have to script our videos. How are we gonna do it? Simply just go to ChatGPT or Claude. I will go with ChatGPT and here I will type, hey, can you give me a script on, now it's up to you what topic you choose. I will choose Nikola's Tesla because he's one of those scientists we still remember. I will say, hey, just give me a script on Nikola Tesla and, just make me it concise, more punchy, under 1 minute, 60 seconds. So it just gives a better impact. And once the script is ready by ChatGPT, you just have to copy it and you will have to go to a tool called Opus Agent. Yep. So this is agent opus.pro and I'll give you a link in the description. This is pretty straightforward, just simply ChatGPT like interface. If you just scroll down, you can see different example videos, but for now we will create our own one. So you have to simply just click on this input box and here you have to put your video idea, voiceover and different style assets. So let's talk about one by one. So first thing we need to talk about it is style. So once you click on style or model, you can see there are so many of them, like 2D, oil painting, animation, vox, clay motion, and you can choose any of these by the way, but I will go with this clear one. This is the first art style that will look better on this kind of animated videos. And once we select this art style, you have to simply click on asset. Now that's a big thing, why we need an asset. So I'll go simply with this Wikipedia image of this Nikola's Tesla. I'll upload it here, and if you don't have an asset, that's okay. ChatGPT and AI agents already built it for you, but it's better if you give it a lot of assets. You can upload like so many logos, objects, characters. So yeah, it's up to you. And once it's ready, you can see this audio thing, and here you can select so many of these audios by the way, and yep, they are so good, they're so free, you can almost clone it. But I would say we have a better option if we want to do that. So yeah, you can select any of these here, but I would say just simply go to this tool and it has a better interesting audio interface. So this is ElevenLabs.io, so they just simply log in here. Alright, so we can see there now this is the proper interface of this ElevenLabs. This is a tool which we need to create AI voices. Now you can see right now here is a text to speech option. Once you click here, there's a huge interface on the right side. You can see there's like voice acting settings and make it more different kind of fine tuning it. On the left side you can see there's a very interesting face where you have to type your narration, and here I'll say just copy your ChatGPT script if you don't have already, just here and paste simply. That's it. Now you have to simply go to this right side of the story and you have to select V3. V3 has better voice model, better emotions and better way of pronouncing words. AI cannot. Now here we can just adjust your speed. I would say just leave it as it is, because different messing with speed and stability can actually give you a very bad output. So just stay with this one, and once it just generates your voice, you can just try out with different character. For example, there's so many voices, Roger, and like you have so many voices. You have to be sure about which kind of voice you like. I personally like this one because this is look more explanation video. You can just copy it here, and once it's ready, you can just download this voice. It has already so many credits for free, so you don't have to actually buy the premium if you don't need one. Now once we have settled down our voice part, it's time for actually doing something with this agent Opus. Now once you have this script, just paste it here, and once you paste it here, you can see right now it will ask you the video ratio, like whether you want to do a reel or want to do a YouTube one. So I will select 16 9 because it's a YouTube one, so it will look just better. I will also tell you in the next example how you can do for the real one. And once you did it, click on just simply enter button. It will start loading all the script, and you start rewriting some things, start fine-tuning something. So you have to be a little cautious about some things, like for example it will just load sometimes it just gives you not a good output, so you have to try multiple times so you get a better one. However, once this video is ready, we will watch together.
This man helped power the entire modern world and died broke. Meet Nikola Tesla. Born in 1856, Tesla wasn't just an inventor, he thought, in electricity, literally. He could visualize machines in his head before building them. His biggest breakthrough? Alternating current. While others pushed direct current, Tesla's system could send electricity across entire cities. That idea powers your home, right now. He even worked with Thomas Edison, until they clashed. Edison wanted control. Tesla wanted innovation, so Tesla walked away. He went on to create wireless energy concepts, radio tech, and even early ideas of remote control, decades ahead of his time. But here's the twist. He wasn't great at business. Investors left. Projects failed. And Tesla slowly faded into obscurity. He died alone in a hotel room in 1943. Today, his ideas power the world, but his name was almost forgotten. Nikola Tesla.
Alright, so I'm very much impressed by the way this animation is doing a really well job. Have you already watched it? The proper text is still not visible because of course AI is not good at legible text, but overall the animation from this Eiffel Tower, the proper room temperature, lights, bulbs, it's a really good animation art style. I'm personally in the love with it. Also the major text are still legible, so I can say right now the first example in the first try is doing really well. We have two other more examples to try and see how this works. So okay, so another example I want to talk about is a little bit more on the business side of Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. So what I say, hey, can you make a simple animation of Steve Jobs and Bill Gates rivalry? It's going to be one of the good story for reels and YouTube shorts. So I just simply say, hey, can you make it? And I will just select a style. So I this time selected a style which is very interesting. So this style is called animation. Yeah, this is the simple style called animation. So just selected. It's almost like 3D Pixar of Disney, but it's looking really good. Now I will just simply select the audio. You can select inbuilt audio, or you can simply go to again ElevenLabs, repeat the same steps, text to speech, select the voice, and just download the script from the ChatGPT and paste it here. Simply that's all you have to do, and that's it. Again, come here, upload the audio, speech, and once you click in here, now this time select the ratio 9:16 because this is the point where you have to upload for your reels and YouTube shorts. Once you upload it here, now we are very good to go about this new video.
Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic rivalries in tech history, Steve Jobs versus Bill Gates. These two titans, founders of Apple and Microsoft respectively, didn't just build companies, they revolutionized the way we interact with technology and laid the foundation for the information age. While both were driven by a passion for computing, their approaches, leadership styles, and visions for the future were remarkably different. Bill Gates, known for his analytical mind and pragmatic approach, focused on software, aiming to put a computer in every home and office. His leadership style was often described as participative, involving his team in decision-making and valuing their input. Microsoft's strategy of licensing its operating system, MS-DOS, and later Windows, to various hardware manufacturers led to its widespread adoption and dominance in the software industry. Steve Jobs, on the other hand, was the visionary, the charismatic.
Alright, I'm really in love with this animation style. This is like 3D Pixar Disney animation where we can see Bill Gates and Steve Jobs almost looking very identical. This is what I'm talking about. This is such a good animation, can be only built with Opus Agent, and I'm really in love with this too because this is so good with this so many less time. You can create such high quality animation. And not only this, our final example will blow you away because here we will customize almost everything. Okay, so let's simply go to our third example of Titanic. Yep, we all know that historical explanation video without Titanic will be useless. So I will say, hey, ChatGPT give me a script for Titanic explanation video of, basically for YouTube, and it already gave me a really good script. By the way, you can just simply copy it, or you can don't need to be copied. You can just simply put a Titanic word, and Agent Opus will create script for you. I have just copied it here, and I will simply choose the style, and this time I will choose a custom style which I built myself. I will just simply go to this Google and select a Titanic image, which is like oil painting. So I'll just upload it here, and now you have a proper art style ready, which is like called oil painting. So I will just select this one and select the audio, and there's no such asset, so I'll just leave it here. And this time I will keep the ratio as YouTube ratio 16:9.
On April 10th, 1912, the RMS Titanic, a marvel of engineering and luxury, embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City. Touted by many as unsinkable, this colossal vessel was the largest ship afloat at the time, designed with advanced watertight compartments that fueled public confidence in its invincibility. Aboard were over 2,200 souls, a mix of the world's wealthiest and those seeking new beginnings in America. The journey across the Atlantic was meant to be a testament to human ingenuity, a comfortable and swift passage. But just 4 days into its voyage, on the night of April 14th, the unthinkable happened. Despite multiple ice warnings received throughout the day, the Titanic continued at a speed of about 22 knots. At 11:40 p.m., lookouts spotted an iceberg directly ahead. A sharp turn was ordered, but it was too late. The ship suffered a glancing blow, buckling its steel plates and opening at least 6 of its 16 watertight compartments to the frigid Atlantic. The Titanic was designed to stay afloat, with up to 4 compartments flooded, but with 6 compromised, its fate was sealed.
If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.